Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Hope you all are safe with your near and dear ones. Today we are going to start a new chapter from Communicate with Cambridge, a comprehensive English course literature reader class 5. Okay. Today our new topic name is Where Go the Boats? It's written by Robert Louis Stevenson. It's a poem. Okay. But before I start the poem, we should know about the poet. Robert Louis Stevenson was a famous Scottish writer. He was born on 13th November 1850 and died 1894. He wrote novels, poems and essays. He is best known for 4 of his most celebrated novels. What are they? Treasure Island, Kidnapped, The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll, etc. Okay. So, now we are going to start this poem. But before I start the poem, we should know the main theme of the poem. What is that? Actually, it is a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This poem is about a child that longs for its boats. As the boat moves, the child asks the boats that when will they come back, and he soon realized that it will not come back and maybe it could be brought ashore by other people. So we should start now paragraph wise. Okay, the very first paragraph. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand, it flows along the forever with trees on either hand. That means dark brown the river water color is dark brown and the sand color golden yellow. The river always flows away and on either side of the river there are so many trees. The second paragraph, green leaves are floating, castles of the foam, boats of mine are boating, where will all come home? In this paragraph, castle meaning large stone, strong buildings built in the past by a ruler or important person. The second paragraph means leaves also floating from the river, on the river. Likewise, a young boy who is throwing, he puts some paper boats on the river and it's flow away. Third paragraph, on goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. Means it cross the paper boats. The young boy thinks that the paper boats maybe cross the mills, the valleys, the hill, everything. Okay, passed away all these things as the river flows away. Come to the last paragraph. Away down the river 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boats ashore. In this paragraph, the young boy thinks that maybe in this, on the other part of the river, there may be another boy who is taking his paper boats, which he puts on the river. It miles from him. Okay, children, this is the poem. Now we have come at the end part of this poem. The summary of the poem. Where Go the Boats? Written by Robert Louis Stevenson. A young boy is sitting on the bank of a river. He is making boats out of pieces of paper. He puts each boat in the river and watches as the river current carries it downstream and out of sight, out of his vision. Okay. Do they reach the sea or do they sink into the water? There is no way he can find out. He can find out. Perhaps downstream there is another boy sitting on the bank of same river. Perhaps this boy reaches into the water and takes out the boats. Maybe. The first boy will never know. All he can do is imagine what happens to his boats as the river carries them into the future. So, this is the complete explanation of the poem Where Go the Boats. Please go through the chapter, go through the poem thoroughly. You will understand. I think this video will help you to make you understand. For the time being, stay home, be safe. Thank you.